Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Benefits of coffee for the skin. Coffee is usually associated with its strong effect in getting us to start our day with a special activity and vitality during the morning period. In addition to its delicious taste and its effective ability to improve mood. Because it contains caffeine, coffee has many health benefits for the body and aesthetic benefits not known to many. It can be included in the skincare routine. Opening square bracket. 1. Because coffee contains antioxidants, they are very beneficial to the skin, and their problems are solved when applied directly to the skin. Opening square bracket. 2. In this article, we will present the most important benefits of aesthetic coffee to the skin, and some natural recipes that are made at home with ease and is an alternative to industrial creams. Benefits of coffee for the skin. Coffee can be used through its use in preparing many natural mixtures useful for the skin, and these benefits include the following. Calming skin inflammation, as coffee contains properties that help reduce inflammation and redness of the skin. Opening square bracket. 3. Treating dark circles under the eye. They reduces puffiness under the eyes and dark circles. Opening square bracket. 3. It helps relieve cellulite, and research has found that creams containing coffee reduce cellulite by 17%. Opening square bracket. 3. Treating rosacea or redness of the skin. Opening square bracket. 3. Repairing and treating skin damage caused by the UV rays. Opening square bracket. 3. Tightening flabby skin. Opening square bracket. 3. Removal of dead skin cells. Opening square bracket. 4. Lightening the complexion. Opening square bracket. 4. Treating sunburn. Opening square bracket. 4. Removing blackheads. Opening square bracket. 4. Natural coffee masks. These are some coffee masks that come at home with ease. Coffee, honey and coconut oil. This recipe works to exfoliate the skin and increase its youthfulness. And its method is. Opening square bracket. 5. Ingredients. 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Tablespoon of honey. Tablespoon of coconut oil. How to prepare the mask. Wash the face and clean it well. Place the coffee in a bowl, add honey and coconut oil. The ingredients are mixed with a spoon until the mixture is homogeneous. An appropriate amount is placed on the hand, and the skin is peeled with this mixture in circular motions for 20 to 30 seconds. Wash the face with cold water, then apply moisturizing cream. Repeat this mask once or twice a week. Coffee, honey, salt and eggs. This mask exfoliates the skin. His method is. Opening square bracket. 6. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon of coffee, a teaspoon of honey, small spoon of salt, an egg, spoon of brown sugar. How to prepare the catcher. Whisk the egg first in a bowl. Then add the other ingredients to it and whisk together well with a fork to get a creamy mixture. The mixture is placed on the face, keeping away from the eyes, mouth and hair, and left for 10 minutes, then remove with a warm cloth and water. Coffee mask, sugar and olive oil. This mask exfoliates the skin of the body. His method is. Opening square bracket. 7. Ingredients. 1/2 cup of ground coffee, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla powder. How to prepare the mask. Place the ingredients in a bowl, mixing well with a fork. The mixture is applied to the skin of the body and exfoliates as usual. Repeat this recipe once or twice a week. This coffee mask and aloe vera gel is a mask that helps get rid of stretch marks. His method is. Opening square bracket. 8. Ingredients. 1/2 a measure of ground coffee, amount of water, a bunch of aloe vera gel. How to make a mask. Mix the coffee with a little water. Then add the aloe vera gel and mix the ingredients well to get a thick mixture. The mixture is applied to areas of expansion marks in the body. Leave for 20 minutes, then remove from the body with a damp cloth and applied moisturizing cream. Repeat this recipe daily. This coffee mask and egg whites mask exfoliate all skin types. His method is. Opening square bracket. 9. Ingredients. 1/4 cup of ground coffee. Egg whites. How to prepare the mask. Place the ingredients in a bowl, mix together well. Apply the mixture on the face. Gently massage it, leave it to dry, then wash the face with cold water and gently dry it. Coffee mask. Brown sugar and vanilla. This mask works to remove dead skin cells and get rid of puffy eyes. His method is. Opening square bracket. 7. Ingredients. 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of one of the following oils. Sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, or argan oil. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. How to prepare the mask. Mix ingredients well to get mixture, then put in a carton and rub it with fingers or with a spoon. A large amount of the mixture is applied to the face and neck after washing the face. Cleaning it and drying it well. Gently massage the face with circular motions, taking care to stay away from the eyes. Wash the face with lukewarm water, then with cold water, and apply moisturizing cream. Health benefits of coffee. There are many benefits to coffee that are dependent on the health of the body, and among these are the following. Reducing the risk of developing diabetes. Good for brain health. Good for cardiovascular health. Help lose weight. Good for eye health. Counteracting some types of cancer. Please subscribe and like and comment.